What if you could take a hot shower in the middle of the forest while camping in your truck camper? In today's episode, we're diving into essential upgrades on our Ford Super Duty camper build. We've designed a fully off-grid rooftop water system with hot showers, a heated shower stall, and a clean toilet solution, all tucked into the back of a truck. Let's start at the top, literally. On the roof, we mounted two 16-gallon aluminum tanks for a total of 32 gallons of fresh water. They're secured with custom fabricated brackets and connected to a fill port we positioned at chest level. That way, we can refill from the side without ever climbing on the truck. We installed a basic RV water gauge so we can check our water levels at a glance. And for tricky fill-ups at national parks or campgrounds, where many spigots don't have threaded hose connections, we carry a simple tool called a water thief. It slides onto any non-threaded spout and gives you a tight seal for refilling without leaks or waste. Now let's move to what makes that water so comfortable. Our water heater is an on-demand propane system that heats water instantly. The shower's flow and temperature are both adjustable right from inside the curtain, so you're never dealing with guesswork or cold shocks. To keep the entire shower space warm, not just the water, we routed ductwork from our diesel heater straight into the shower stall. It vents through a spring-loaded aftermarket fuel door we mounted on the back of the camper. So even in cold weather, stepping into the shower feels like entering a cozy sauna. While the shower keeps us clean, the next feature keeps everything else in check. Tucked beneath the shower platform lid is a simple and effective toilet setup. We mounted a standard toilet seat to a custom fabricated frame with storage space to the side. We line it with a heavy-duty plastic waste bag and pack it out using Leave No Trace best practices. To finish up this area, we even installed a hand-washing station. This whole setup gives us reliable water, hot showers, and a clean bathroom anywhere we go, with no hookups and no hassle. If you found this helpful, give this a thumbs up and let us know if you want a deeper dive on plumbing, parts, or fabrication. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more episodes coming with how we charge e-bikes, cook, and stay powered up off the grid.